This is going to be the second pair of lashes that I reviewed from this new Kiss collection. It's called Sister Nature Vegan Mink Lashes Fluffy 3D Look. Now they do have, not sure, maybe about 5 or 6 styles. I just reviewed the first one, which was, I believe it was Sage. This one is called Storm. This is what the packaging looks like. These are cruelty-free. It says easy to wear, easier on the planet. It does not bring an adhesive. I believe these retail for about $7.99. I'll leave everything listed down below. This does not come with a glue, but my favorite lash glue is also from Kiss. I don't know if these are going to be able to be Sage were just like, wow, so pretty to me. But I'll leave a playlist of all the eyelashes that I have reviewed, just in case you love eyelashes as much as me. This is what they look like. They look nice and full, a nice decent length, a bit curled. They don't look that curled right now. The others looked curled immediately. Storm. You just really got to be careful to like place them here again carefully, so you get plenty of uses out of them. The first pair, Sage, I believe they had an invisible band. So these don't have an invisible band. We'll see how they feel, how they wear, were they easy to apply. Before I apply it, I just want to carefully remove them from the packaging so I can show you here. They do feel very soft. They did not feel like plasticky. Of course, I'm just gonna bend it a bit like this so they're not like flat straight. So I'm just going like this carefully. I'm gonna measure and see if I have to trim. I mean, I gotta say, unless it's like super long, I get really lazy when it comes to cutting them. But if you do cut them, always make sure to cut them from the outside, not the inside. The design will get damaged. So I don't know, we'll try like this. We'll see how it looks just without cutting it. Going to go ahead and apply it, and then I'll come back and tell you more about it. This is what they look like. I would say this is more like an everyday lash. Like, it's not super natural, but it's not like extremely crazy, voluminous, super curly, like long. No, I think they look nice. Others, when I would look up, I can feel them here. These, I don't feel them. Let me just turn different ways so you can see. So I can't say these are like, oh my god, I'm dying for them, they're so pretty, but I'm the kind of person that feels a bit uncomfortable wearing lashes outside. I wear them all the time for my videos, but I don't know, I don't know, that's just me. But these I would feel a little bit more comfortable wearing. I don't think they're so much like in your face or anything like that. Though for my videos, I do like them a bit more dramatic. These are like just not there for me. But again, these are beautiful. Beautiful, they don't feel uncomfortable, easy to apply, they don't feel heavy. If you've never worn lashes, yeah, they might feel a little bit uncomfortable. If you feel that they're bothering you here a little bit, maybe you applied them too in, or maybe you just have to cut them a bit. So I do feel it like bothering me just a little, but maybe I'll just do the application a bit different. No complaints. Like these two styles that I have tried, they're very nice, very nice. Definitely check out Sage. Maybe you'll like that one more, or maybe you like this one. Let me know if you've tried these out. What do you think? Oh, and by the way, the lash glue I use, yes, it's black, but because I use liquid liner every day, so I like it better. It blends better, just in case, because the clear glue, sometimes you can see it. I don't like that. If you don't wear liner, they also have that same one in clear. What do you think of these?